she too hot to handle. Got the ring on my handle, what the fuck she pretty like